Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the new oppo F23 5G. This phone is packed with features, and it's sure to be a great choice for anyone looking for a new smartphone. The oppo F23 5G has a sleek, stylish design, and it's available in two colors, Cosmic Black and Rainbow Spectrum. It's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, which is one of the fastest processors on the market. This means that the phone is incredibly fast and responsive, even when you're multitasking or playing demanding games. Oppo F23 5G also has a triple-lens rear camera system, which is great for taking stunning photos and videos. The main camera is 50 megapixels, and it's joined by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixels macro lens. The front-facing camera is 16 megapixels, and is perfect for taking selfies and video calls. Oppo F23 5G has a large 6.6-inch AMOLED display, which produces stunning visuals. The display also has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smooth and fluid. The Oppo F23 5G is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which will easily last you a full day on a single charge. The phone also supports 33W Super VOOC fast charging, which means you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. The Oppo F23 5G is a great all-around smartphone. It's fast, stylish, and has a great camera system. If you're looking for a new phone, I highly recommend checking out the Oppo F23 5G. I hope this helps.